Hi friends. Um, Hi friends. In the previous session, we have discussed about Crew AI agent, basic email check formatter, where we have rough email and we are cleaning that email and we are getting a professional, concise, and effective communications with intended message email. Here, one agent is calling and executing the task. Okay, so if you see here, um, there is the agent started, and agent final answer is getting, just formatting all the things they are doing, and we are getting the actual messages, means clean messages we are getting. So now in this session, uh, we are doing the same thing. We will use this content a CrewAI agent, basic email check, but here we will use the tool calls, right? So let us start the discussions. So here, I will go and create here one file. So AI email check with tools, IPYNV files, right? I'll go and select the kernel, right? And so few of the codes I will just copy paste to save the time. So I will go and I will copy the code, this one, dot environment, copy from here to here, run it, and yeah, here it's checking, connecting with the kernel, then after that it will run. uh, yeah, let's see, API key is loaded. Next is CrewAI will also run, and I need these things also. Right, my LLM is working here. Now we will implement one tool call here. Okay, tool call, how we will do the tool call? So uh, first we have to import a library, crew.ai, crew.ai dot tools, import base tool, import base tool. I will take one class, AI tool, I'm taking AI tool class, and this is the base tools, and I'm take here is name string. So I will giving the name of these tools is abbreviations deductions. Directors. Then I'm giving the description here. This is also string. suggest replacement for clear communications. Right, this is a description I added, right? And next things, we'll call implement this run method, and then we'll call email string, and its return type is string only. Replacement. So what could be that in the abbreviation? So in office, right, we generally using the shortcuts, right, like ASAP, uh, working progress, WIP, POCs, TBD, if FYI. So if you have these kind of informations, right, these kind of these abbreviations, so uh, with the help of tool calls, we will extract that information, like ASAP, right? So it will extract the as soon as possible. So okay, so I just wrote. Okay, so from here, what we are doing here, so here this is the import. We are importing, just importing the base tools, which is the base class for the creating custom AI tools in the CrewAI frameworks. Okay, so you subclass based tool is define your own tools logic here. Okay, and this is the class definition. So AI tools inherits from the base tools, right? And this defines a tools that can used by an AI agent in the crew AI systems. Okay, so and these are all the metadata informations. The name, I'm just giving the name of the tool is abbreviation directors, and the description, this is the description we have. And this run method, this method perform the actual logic of the tools here, and it takes the email strings, actually it takes the email strings as input and return a string output. The suggestions we have, right? This this is the input, will take email, and it will return the string output. And in the replacement is the, this is the shortcuts, right? We generally we are using in the office email, ASAP, W working progress, POC, TBD. Mean, so these things I kept it. There are multiple, there are many abbreviation we are using, but I taken few of them. So I created one dictionary, and and uh, to expand their forms. Okay, and next thing is uh, what the we will convert the once we get the email ID, the email, right? So we will convert in all the lower cases. Okay, so email lower is equal to email dot lower. Okay, just we are getting the email, right, and just we are converting the whole email into the lowercase to make the abbreviation search case insensitive. Okay, and next is suggestions equal to, so I'll just use if a string, just we are replacing, right? Consider replacing um, APP abbreviations is with with the full form, and then replacement dot items in email lower. Okay, and what could be the return? It should be return, just I put the dot join, and use this suggestions. If else detected. Okay, so what we are doing here, though, so here we are doing the list comprehension here, where the list comprehension loop through all the abbreviations, then full form pair in the replacements. Okay, and if the abbreviation is found in the email text, so it creates a suggestion, a uh, string like consider replacing as soon as, suppose uh, this one, right? uh, this replacing the asap, instead of asap is replacing the value as soon as possible. So all the selection is collected into name of suggestions. Okay, yeah, into suggestions, and then if the abbreviation were found, okay, so if abbreviation we were found, it joined the all the suggestions, all the suggestion with the new line and return them. Okay, otherwise it return the no abbreviation detected, right? And next thing, so one is it is done, then we have to call this method like ai underscore tool is equal to ai tool. It should be here. Yeah. Okay, and next thing is, uh, we will use the same code for email for the task, the last uh, session we discussed about the task. Okay, agent crew. So I will copy this one, and I will paste it here. I will use the same code to save the time. And but here there is one change here. Here we will use was true here, so we will add tools here. This is AI tool created, right? So here I'm just adding tools here, AI tools here. I'm just using, remaining things should be same. Okay, and okay, let's run whether we are getting what we are getting. Okay, here it should be this. There is no issue with this code. So let's run the next block. Okay, the crew execution started. So crew execution started here. and AI agent the agent started, like AI email writing expert started here. So this is the task, and this is the mail, this rough email. And see the crew started here, and see the agent tool execution. Okay, see this is the agent, and this is the through action abbreviation detector. So using tool, this is the tool call abbreviation to detectors, right? And what the tool is doing, this is the input tool, this is the tool input, and this is the email we have. Okay, and considering replacing this, so suppose if I do more in the original email, if I do the some kind of add WIP and something we are adding, right? EOD and deadline of the project POC, just I'm adding, right? You can do it from yourself. I mean, you can frame the rough email in such a way that all the key should be covered, and just FII. Okay, and TBD something, somewhere is TBD. Okay, so this is I added, and let's see, I'm running this one. So execution started. See here, this is the original email. We just gave like POC here, FYI, POC, WIP, TBD, EOD. So see, this is the tool output. This is replacing the tools. Okay, replacing this value is replacing with this value here. This is the tool calls. And see, once it's replaced, then agent is giving the final answer, right? For your info, this is the formatted output we are getting. For your information, here is it replaced here, and then work in progress, proof of concepts, and as soon as possible, and by EOD end of the day. And see the crew completed here, and see the crew completed, and task is also completed. Why we getting error? Okay, that is fine, that is little bit, that's a different things. Okay, so till here tracking status is here, and task completed here. Okay, so this is all about the tool call, where agent is sending the agent is calling with the help of the tool calls. Okay, and so here one action we perform, we are just replacing replacing this value with this value. So yeah, this is all about for this video, and please check it out, and please subscribe my channels, and yeah, thank you so much.